is Karina Lau. In the past 20 years, I've been helping people experiencing greater focus, creativity, and productivity by having a calm mind and body. And now it's your turn. By the end of this video, you learn what is functional breathing and how you can start optimizing each breath that you take in. So we breathe about 25 to 30,000 breaths a day. And most of the time, we don't pay attention to our breath. Breath is important because it helps to reduce our stress level, it lowers our heart rate, and every cells in our body need oxygen to function. So now I'm going to walk you through 3 simple steps to functional breathing and its benefits. First, we're going to inhale through our nose. Second, we're going to engage this part of our body where the diaphragm, lower parts of our lungs, and also the rib cage lies. Third, we're going to exhale through our nose. The benefit to breathe into our nose is our nose filters and prepares the air before it enters our lungs. It allows our body to utilize nitric oxide and carbon dioxide in the blood to expand the blood vessels. And it's important to breathe deep into our lungs because that's when all the gas exchange happens and our blood lies in the lower part of our lungs. And we also have a thin skeletal muscle called the diaphragm. When we inhale, our diaphragm contracts and flattens, and when we exhale, our diaphragm relaxes and we push the air out. So inhalation, exhalation. And at the same time, you'll feel your lower 2 ribs as we inhale, it expands outward, and as we inhale, it comes inward. So inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And lastly, it's important to exhale through our nose because we could contain more heat and up to 42% water into our body. So now we're going to tie it all in to take a few breaths together. First, take a deep inhalation through your nose, feeling the ribcage expand as the air comes in, and exhale. Feel the ribcage move inward and as you exhale through the nose. Again, inhale and exhale. One last time, inhale through the nose. Feel the air comes in, opening up the lower 2 ribs, and exhale through the nose. How are you feeling in your body? I would love to hear your comment. If you're going to take this new way of breathing, please simply type the word breathe in the comment below. And as a gift from me to you, I have prepared a checklist to functional breathing. You could simply click the link below to download in a PDF format. If you would like to experience greater focus, creativity, and productivity, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.